Hello everyone and welcome back to Delicious Hugs. On today's video we will be making a waffle sandwich. We are going to get started by making our turkey sausage. I have about a pound of ground turkey, and to that I'm going to be adding some spices, also a little bit of brown sugar. Simply mix those ingredients together until combined. Now I'm going to be forming them into 1/4 cup patties. Then I remembered that I needed to make it where it fits the waffle, so I just took 4 of those patties and combined them together. Simply brown them on medium-high heat, flip them, and cook them for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. In this bowl I have some all-purpose flour, and to that I added some baking powder, salt, and white sugar. Mix or whisk until combined. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk. Beat until combined. Next, add your wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Your eggs, your milk. Simply mix until combined. Also add some vanilla bean for flavor. And at the end, you're going to go in with 1 stick of melted butter. Simply fold that in until combined. Go ahead, preheat your waffle iron. Add some oil or some melted butter, or you could even use the spray if you have that. And then I'm going to add some of the waffle batter. Close that for about 5 to 7 minutes until golden brown. And then you're going to complete the process. Once you have 2 golden waffles, we're going to make the eggs. Go ahead and whisk your eggs until you have a lot of air in them. Add some vegetable oil and butter to your pan and add your egg. Allow your egg to rest for a few seconds and then simply move the egg to the center of the skillet using a spatula. Once the egg was halfway done, I did finish it in the oven, added salt, pepper, and cheese. Let's assemble the sandwich with the waffle, your egg, your sausage patty, and then finishing with the next waffle. Once that's completed, you're going to go in with some melted butter. And I did have some berries in the refrigerator, so I chose to put those on top as well. And then I completed it with just a sprinkle of powdered sugar. And there you have it, a waffle sandwich. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.